Alright you guys, how's everybody doing? So it's Mikey's Automotive. I want to show you guys a new programmer that I'm receiving today. You can read, write, generate dealer keys like Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, BMW. It's a cool frequency tester as well. Okay, so you can test the frequency of your keys. So open it. Wow, look at this, you guys. You guys can see the USB 3.0 interface, the mini HDMI interface, and the DB15 interface. Okay, it's really sturdy. Okay, feels tough. You can program keys, do oil resets, odometer adjustment, tire pressure light reset. A lot of cool stuff with this. Read pins, pin codes for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep. Mostly I'm gonna use it for Asian domestic vehicles, okay, like Honda, Nissan, Ford, Toyota, Chevy, GM, Buick, Pontiac. So together with the KC501, it helps you pre-code the keys. That's what the KC501 is, a pre-coder, okay, to generate dealer keys before we get ready to program to a vehicle. So that you can only do with the KC501, pre-code the European models. So as you guys see, it comes with a lot of attachments, a lot of EEPROM cables. Okay, a Mercedes-Benz IR adapter, so you can calculate the password from the EIS when you have a key. This is of course, the X2 emulator. Later on, I'm gonna talk about it more. Right now, I want to show you everything it has. These are all the plugs that come with the Pad 3, okay, SE. All right, you guys, so check it out. This is the KS-01 Smart Key emulator for Lexus, Scion, and Toyota, 40-bit. It reads and stores the vehicle and mobilizer data. Okay, you save it into your programmer device, then you write it back to the KS-01 and emulate a program master key. We're ready to put it up to the test. Okay, so basically this tool, it lets us read the password for the Mercedes-Benz, but you actually need a key, and you need to have your EIS connected to the vehicle. So we're gonna go to infrared key system. Okay, we're gonna go to password calculation, and this is where you gotta collect the data for the password calculation, and you need a program key. Once you have that program key, and you can go to your cars and ask you to stick in the key, immediately stick it out, and then we could use like our IR collector from Mercedes-Benz that it comes with. Okay, and read our password. Okay, we're gonna go back. Okay, so here's where we generate our key file. We're gonna go to IR key functions. We can read key information. Okay, we're gonna get our use key, put it in the IR hole. We're gonna read the information. Okay, it says connect the KC501. This is the KC501. Right now it's gonna read the key information. It doesn't give us a password, but it tells us the key position. Okay, the counter, which is great. We can also erase the BE keys. Okay, I don't think this one's gonna erase. Okay, so you can erase two. Security verification failed. Please connect the power and try again. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. Try again, but yes, you can read and you can erase. Okay, the BE keys. So basically, make it into a renew it. So we're gonna go back. So it's a pretty nice, cool function for Mercedes-Benz. Okay, you have to generate key file, and that's how you add a key. Okay, we can also control the tailgate. Okay, system. You choose the series. Okay, 204 C class, and then it gives you the option to open trunk down here. Okay, you open the trunk, because a lot of times the Mercedes-Benz, they lock up, when you try to open up the driver's door or the passenger door, the trunk will seize because it thinks that you're trying to steal something. And a lot of people leave their keys locked inside the trunk, and there's no way they can open the trunk without having a programmer like this to operate the tail control gate. So this does help a lot. Okay, so that's a cool little function that it has. Okay, for the tailgate control system. But yeah, it's a pretty nice programmer. Overall, I like it. There's a lot of cool adapters. I feel that later on there's gonna be more stuff. Okay, love the clips, rainbow. Okay, rainbow EEPROM cables, 26 pin. Okay, they give us 3 of these, like I said, MCUs. Beautiful. Okay, I also have more adapters that come with the X100 Pad3. Okay, EEPROM adapter. This is cool for reflashing. Okay, we got some more EEPROM adapters. We got different plugs. Okay, they gave us the OBD 216, the Kia 20, the Kia Hyundai 10, the Honda 3, and the Mazda 17. Okay, chargers, cables. If you guys want to purchase this, I can get you guys a promo code. The promo code is going to be in the description below, or I'll post it up right here. So go ahead, just put in the promo code to get a discount. I believe you'll get a 10% discount, you guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that you can also support our channel by joining us and joining our membership for $2.99. You get priority comment reply and use cool emojis and badges, okay? So till next time, you guys, take care.